In this lesson, I am going to teach you all the type of plackets or necklines that is used in this girls wear module. So what are the plackets? Plackets are just slits or openings that are made in the garment so that you can easily wear or remove the garment. Plackets are finished or faced openings designed on all types of garments, on bodices, sleeve, skirt, dresses, jackets, pants, and so on and so forth. What kind of plackets can you make in garments? It entirely depends on the kind of garment. If it is a jacket, then usually the plackets are full open at center front. If it is a gown, then you can make a placket at the center of the back or on one of the side seam. Plackets can be of any length and width with blunt, pointed, rounded or stylized ends. Neckline plackets are specially placed in the center of the neck. When designed for neckline openings, the placket can end at the neck edge or to be extended beyond the neck and become a part of the collar. Plackets usually have fasteners. Some plackets have buttons and buttonholes, press buttons or hooks and eyes, or sometimes zippers are installed in them, and others do not have any sort of fasteners. So what are the different kinds of fasteners that you could use in girls wear frocks? So firstly, let me tell you all what are fasteners. The functions of a fastening is to hold the garment parts together and allow the garment to be put on and taken off easily. Fastenings can be used in decorative purposes as well. They include zippers, buttons and buttonholes, snap fasteners, hooks and eyes, hook and bars, velcro, buckles and eyelets, etc. In this girls wear module, you will learn two different kinds of placket. One is the applied placket, the other one is the self-faced placket. So what is this applied placket? Bound and faced placket or two-piece placket on a seam is called as the applied placket. This is used in the left side of the seam of skirts or petticoats and the back seam of dresses. The underlap side of this placket is finished with a binding and the overlap with a facing. Now coming to the self-faced placket. This placket is not stitched on to the opening or the slit of the garment, but it is rather an extension of the opening which is used as a placket. In this lesson, you will learn how to attach a piping, how to attach a neckline facing, how to fix a collar on the neckline, and you will also learn bias binding. So what is a neckline facing? A separate facing is cut in the same shape and grain on the area it will cover. It is stitched and then turned to the inside of the garment. It is used on bodice necklines, bodice armholes and waistlines of skirts or pants. What is piping? Piping is a type of trim or embellishment consisting of a strip of folded fabric so as to form a pipe inserted into a seam to define the edges or the style lines of a garment. Piping can be used to finish necklines and armholes. What are collars? A collar is a piece of fabric attached to the neckline. It comes in a variety of style, shape and size. Here you will learn how to attach a Peter Pan collar to a closed neck. What is bias binding? A bias facing is a narrow, lightweight strip fabric cut on the bias. It can be used with collars, bands, cuffs or other trims. The bias tapes are often used instead of a shaped facing on the garments. This is neckline binding with a bias tape. This is neckline facing. Here you can see a picture of neckline piping, and the last one is a picture of a Peter Pan collar attached to the neckline.